we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done.
Trail Time Tuesday again, folks. Going for a little trail run at Hartley Park and Nature Center today. It's gonna be a good one. Woo!
Tight, found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
This is a really nice park. Lots to do here. It's located in the Woodland Neighborhood. A little bit on the other side of town for me, but a good stop if I'm ever over here.
Side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
This is Hartley Nature Center. All kinds of stuff to do here. Programs for kids. You can rent equipment. I think they rent cross-country skis and snowshoes. Canoes in the summer, boats in the summer. Hey, thanks for watching another Trail Time. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. And remember, get outside. It is beautiful out here.